board, let's play camping trip. Oh my god. What? Okay. Shit. No smoking. I love the graphics, by the way. I reckon that some deer is that gotta be a jump scare. Maybe. What the fuck? Is this a deer? See? What? Is this? What? What? Oh, poor thing. What happened to you? Is this a deer or it looks like a pig and it also looks like a capybara? But let's just say it's a deer, I guess. So it's we'll just walk straight ahead like that. Oh my god. Okay. A wooden post with two arrow signs, campsite to the left and the hunter lodge up ahead. Okay. Let's go on the camper side first. Let's find people. Oh yeah. See? Hi. Uh, oh hey. Nice hair. Bro, finally. So good to see you. I thought you might have skipped out on us for a second, but I knew you'd come. Hey, yeah, sorry to keep you two waiting. Got stuck in traffic on my way out of town. Definitely sent me back a few hours, but I'm here at last. It's alright, man. Shit happens. Me and Jane went on a little hike in the woods and we're just about to roast some marshmallows. Sweet! Anything I can help with? If you want to, you can gather a few branches to start the fire while I get the other stuff ready in the meantime. Sounds like a plan to me. Be right back. Okay, is this Jane? Is this your girl? Oh, I don't think. Yeah, yeah, it's Jane. Hey, Mike, nice to see you. Hi, Jane. How are you? Just sitting around. I just got back from a hike with Jacob, so I'm relaxing a bit. Cool. Maybe we'll all go on one later if the weather is with us. Sure. That's all good with me. Okay. Why does she looks like a man? No, I'm not here to judge. Okay. Nice tent. Okay. I just third wheel in here. I don't have a girl or that's I've already got the woods right. Is that only my task? Hey. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna start the fire. Go. Should I gather more? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Okay. I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't hear that. I'm gonna pretend that that's my stomach growling. Oh, yeah. don't know why our surrounding is looking like this, but I guess it's just past past something like that. Man, those marshmallows were so tasty. Damn. Would you look at the sky already does? I should double check that tent before it becomes pitch black. Oh shit. I completely forgot mine in the trunk. Then you should hurry up and get it. If you want to catch a shut eye, you need the flashlight. I have mine on me, but thanks. I should get going. Oh, sheesh. I mean, I should have grabbed my tent before going here. I'm so done. You gotta say something? It's getting cold. I should go and pack the coat from my bag and put it on. Coat? Why would you wear a coat in the middle of the woods? Like, it's not even in winter. Jeez. Okay. You know what? I'm not here to judge her. But let's go back to our car. Is the deer gonna be here? Oh, who is this? Hello? Howdy there. What are you up to this time of day? Oh, I'm just on my way to get something from my car before it gets dark. So you're a camper, then you should be careful. I don't know what it is, but there could be a wild animal around these woods. If you see or hear anything weird, you can head up to the Hunter's Lodge. It's just up ahead, the spot. Right after you reach the campsite, I work there. Thanks, I'll keep that in mind. Have a nice day. Likewise, for safe camping. Yeah, can I just stay with you? And I also heard something on the campsite. I heard a growl, you know, Mr. Potato Head. Okay. I'm just gonna grab the tent real quick and this is a long path. Okay. Oh my god. How did it? Oh, it's not that even far. It's like I took a 1 hour just for grabbing my tent. Oh my god, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god. Can I? Yes, please. Jesus. Can I go straight ahead to the Hunter's Lodge? Because there's definitely a demon chasing me right now. And I don't know why I don't react. Oh no. Oh my god. Mr. Potato Head, um, someone or something chasing me, and it's gone now. But I'm gonna go straight over here, bro. Oh fuck, that's not good. Mr. Potato, it's just died. Oh my god, can I grab the gun? Yes, please. Shit, we are fucked. Fuck. Okay, I am genuinely scared right now. But let's go here. Can we go here? No. Sheesh. Always always the people who helps us. Oh, there are the ones who's get killed first. Oh my god. Maybe I'm the next now. What? Bad ending. You were were presumably killed by a wild animal while on a camping trip. Your remains were found weeks later. I just shot that shit.